to JST Tech's Precision Swiss Machining, with 30 Swiss CNC machines hitting 0.005 mm tolerances, we craft small complex parts, shafts, bushings, etc. for instruments, optics, medical, new energy vehicles, 40% more cost-effective than European suppliers. Matching German quality, thoroughly inspected via CMM optical comparators and surface roughness testers. Full service, from design review to assembly. Fast, cost-efficient, high precision for prototyping or scaling. Need ultra-precise parts? Let's connect. Subscribe for quotes, questions.